Damn! What a beautiful day to ride. But it's a bit late lah today because it's already 10 o'clock. We started our journey at 10 o'clock because normally like we meet at 7 o'clock and then we start our ride, enjoy. I have no idea where we are going today, but I heard that we're gonna see some tigers and some elephants. But right now we're heading for brunch first. No idea where is it, but yeah, I'm just following because this group is actually chill as fuck. Look at the speed that we are doing. The sound of the 690. That's a full system Akrapovic, man. Oh, so nice. Oh, look at that 690. Beautiful. It's white color also. Mine is white also. Is all the 690s white? I think I've seen only white 690s before. Correct me if I'm wrong. Let me slow down a bit and I'm gonna do a little bit of pull. I just discovered that why people ride early is because there's no traffic on the road. Okay, let me layan the corner first. That's it? That's it? That's the only corner? No! But at least we are in a tunnel. Oh no! Kickstand. Let's push together. And push back together. Is it gear? Gear is in. Okay, wait, I hold the clutch already. Dah, let go. Gear. Huh. Okay. Oh. Very steep the slope. I also don't dare to go down. Oh, tak kena. Lucky. Here a bit ni. I got it on GoPro. Yeah. But see you in YouTube lah. Food was so good. Yeah, I just finished our lunch. Just had our lunch. Wonton Mee was so good that I forgot to take a video of it. Oh my god, the sound that it makes. Rev it up, rev it up, rev it up. Oof. Beautiful. It's really good. What a beautiful sound. Woo! Oh, damn! No game. This slip-on 390 has no game on a full Akrapovic system. Oh! Damn. Huh? Yours lah. They are all under the shades already. They got private shade already. Harley, Triumph Tiger, M207, the GS, the Harley. Let's go and see some elephants. Oh, so this is a, what is an elephant bone? It's actually very big. Quite big. Ah, got this sticker. I'm gonna stick it onto myself first. There's actually elephant show going on. Right now we are actually late for like 10 minutes, but yeah, we're walking towards it. And can you hear that? Oh, actually damn big eh. Okay, that's huge.
Harus diingatkan ya, walaupun gajah-gajah ini telah dilatih atau dijinakkan, kadang-kadang ia masih lagi kalori haiwaniah.
Okay, it's the end of the show. We're gonna go and continue the ride. Hello. They're so small but so big at the same time. These are like baby elephants, but I'm not too sure how old are they. Oh no, please don't. Please don't. You can see two baby elephants here. One got cast, and then you can see two young adults here. So we're gonna start this 690 up and show you how this sounds. This sounds crazy. It's insane. I was behind him and it was insane. Okay, let's start it up. So that's how explosive this sounds. By the way, it's a full system Akrapovic. Sorry. Yeah, it's a full system Akrapovic, and this is insane. I was behind him and oh, it sounds sweet. I hope that my bike sounds like this. Can I achieve this? I don't think so. It's a 690 thing. Alright, see you on the right. Today is a good ride. Went a lot of places, eat a lot of stuff, saw elephants. 690's exhaust system, full exhaust system from Akrapovic is insane. And thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all again in the next video. I am Chin. See you next time. Bye.